Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we are going to see about Blockquote tag and the attributes of font tag and paragraph tag. Before beginning the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's begin. So the first one that we are going to see is Blockquote tag and how it works. Blockquote tag is used to define a block of text which is quoted from some other source. It displays the content within the blockquote tag as an intended tag. So you will understand what it is, and it will have a space on the left. Let's see the practical, you will understand better. If you want to insert a long quote, use this kind of tag, that is blockquote tag has to be used in such place. It has a starting and an ending tag. Blockquote has to be started and it also has to be ended with a /blockquote. Now let's see how this works. See the practical version. Let's understand how this blockquote is used in your HTML page. You can see HTML page begins and ends here. Body tag is used. Then something is written inside this paragraph tag. You can see as in the output, the paragraph tag is here. Here is a quote from WWF's website. That message is there. And with H1 heading, blockquote element is written. So the topic emerges as such. You can change the heading by giving H1 to H6 options. Because of H1, it is displayed with this big heading. Next one is blockquote, the tag. The tag is starting and ending tag. Starts here and the tag ends here. With that, the site attribute is used, and from where this is being quoted, that address is written here, or the page is given here, and then the message is written or the text is written in this blockquote tag, inside this blockquote tag. So the things are, it will be coming as an output, and then you can see on the right here the text is intended. If you see the first text, both are written as such, whereas the content from the blockquote tag comes with a space indentation. This is how blockquote is used. Okay, hope you understood how this blockquote works. Next tag is font tag. Font tag is used with the different attributes of the font of the text that you are going to display. It includes the attributes as are face, size, and the color. Face is used to show the type of the font that you are selecting out of the given options. Size is to mention in what size you want for the given text, and color displays the different color that you want to include. For colors, you have many other options too, like you can include the color's name like green, red, in that way. Another option is to include a hexa numbered like #0000FF. This displays a color combination. Next one is red, green, blue number. Okay, so it can be RGB 0, 153, 0. So the three different ways are there to display the color combination for the font that you are using. So this is the practical of your font tag. You can see paragraph is being written. This is a paragraph. The message comes as such. Next one is font. The attributes related are face, where I have used the Arial as the font type. You can use Verdana or any other thing that is available. Next one is color. So this is chosen as a red. And then comes the size, or you can just rearrange it anyway, face, color or size, anywhere in any order, separated by semicolon, and then include the size of whatever you want, and then write the message that you want to display for that information and close the font tag. Now face, color and size are the attributes. Run that program, you will get the output. Now if you want to change it to some other color, just change it, giving green, and let's check whether it is working or not. So it's working because of the change in the color. Here you can include the size, how much ever you want. Since you have increased it to 6, the size increases. And if you want to have it little more bigger, let it be 16. So it's again increasing. So this is how you get the output using this font tag. Next one is the paragraph tag, and the attribute that we are going to see for paragraph is align, where we will be learning about how to align your paragraph tags content, like whether you want it to be aligned in the right, from the left, or from the middle, that is the center. These are the options available for your align attributes of paragraph tag. Okay, let's check how this works. So we can choose the same thing that just now we have used. Our program is something like this, where paragraph align is the attribute used and the option taken is right. So it should be on to the right, whatever is the content for this paragraph tag. So this is a paragraph. Before it was here on the left side for the previous output. Now you can see it is on the right hand side. Now if I change this right to left, again the shift you can see. So left is the option taken. Again execute this code. On the left you get the information, and if you want it to be in the middle, you can just write it center and execute it again. It will move to the center portion. Okay, this can be done to any of the paragraph tag, and align is an attribute of your paragraph tag. Hope you understood the 3 topics that we have chosen for this video. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe to the channel, put a thumbs up, and let me know your feedback in the comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.